are going to love the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.